Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might make you think twice about reaching for that sugary treat: the impact of sugar on your health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore sugar's composition, types of sugar, and its effects on your general and specific health aspects, from dental health to chronic diseases. So come on and join us as we get started with today's video. First, let's talk about sugar and its composition. Sugar, scientifically known as sucrose, is a simple carbohydrate composed of glucose and fructose. It can be easily absorbed by the body and can serve as a quick energy source for our bodies and is commonly derived from sugarcane and sugar beet. This at the cost of some very important elements of your health. What are the types of sugar and where do we find them? There are several types of sugars. Glucose. This type of sugar is found in the blood. It's one of the main energy sources for our cells. Fructose. Found naturally in fruits and honey. Sucrose, or also known as table sugar, it is composed of glucose and fructose in a 50 and 50 ratio. Lactose. This sugar is found naturally in milk and dairy products like yogurt, cheese, and cream. Maltose, found in certain grains and malted products. While natural sugars occur in whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and dairy products, added sugars are introduced during processing or preparation and can be found in a variety of products such as soft drinks, candies, pastries, and processed snacks. Effects on general health. Excessive sugar intake can negatively affect general health, leading to the next problems. Weight gain. Sugar is calorie-dense and can direct you to weight gain when consumed in large amounts or even in lower quantities. Nutrient deficiencies. High sugar intake will displace more nutrient-dense foods from your diet, resulting in potential deficiencies. Plus, we need vitamins and minerals for the metabolism of sugar. Eating sugar causes an increased utilization of these nutrients and their depletion. Inflammation. Excess sugar can promote inflammation, linked to several chronic conditions. Also, increasing nutrient depletion while your body tries to control this chronic inflammation fire. Effects on brain and reward system. The sugar addiction. Sugar stimulates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and inducing feelings of pleasure. This can lead to increased cravings and, in most cases, addiction-like behaviors. Sugar and mood. Sugar can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood glucose levels, affecting mood and energy levels. This can result in mood swings, irritability, and fatigue. Effects on insulin and blood glucose. Consuming sugar leads to insulin release to regulate blood glucose levels. High sugar intake can eventually cause insulin resistance, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Dental health. Sugar consumption is a significant contributor to tooth decay. Sugar feeds harmful bacteria in the mouth, which produce acids that damage tooth enamel, leading to cavities and gum disease. Added sugars. Added sugars are often present in processed foods and beverages. They can be listed under various names such as high fructose corn syrup, cane sugar, and dextrose. Excessive intake of added sugars is associated with several negative health outcomes. Sugar and risk of chronic disease. Excessive sugar consumption is linked to various chronic diseases. Type 2, diabetes. High sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance and diabetes. Heart disease. Consuming too much sugar can contribute to obesity and other risk factors for heart disease. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, also known as NAFLD. Excess sugar can cause fat buildup in the liver, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Cancer. The relationship between sugar and cancer is complex and multifaceted. While research in this area is ongoing, some aspects of this relationship are well understood. Sugar and cancer cell growth. Cancer cells tend to consume more glucose compared to normal cells. This high glucose uptake can be detected using certain imaging techniques, such as PT scans, which help locate tumors based on their glucose consumption. Insulin and cancer. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to higher insulin levels, which can promote the growth of cancer cells. Insulin is a hormone that facilitates the uptake of glucose into cells, and it can also activate signaling pathways involved in cell growth and proliferation, potentially fueling tumor growth. Chronic inflammation. High sugar intake can contribute to chronic inflammation, which has been linked to the development of cancer. Inflammation can promote a microenvironment that supports the growth and spread of cancer cells. Obesity and cancer. Excessive sugar intake can contribute to obesity, a known risk factor for several types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, and pancreatic cancer. Obesity can lead to hormonal imbalances and other physiological changes that may promote cancer development. Now let's talk about the glycemic load. Diets with a high glycemic load that are characterized by high consumption of sugary and processed foods can produce more significant fluctuations in blood sugar levels. These fluctuations may be associated with increased cancer risk, as they can affect insulin and other hormone levels. Sugar and skin health. Sugar intake may accelerate skin aging through a process called glycation, where sugar molecules bind to proteins in the skin, causing loss of elasticity and wrinkles. In other words, premature aging of your skin and other tissues of your body too. Develop the habit of reading labels. This is very important. Understanding food labels is crucial to managing sugar intake. Different names for sugar, such as high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, cane juice, and maltose, may be listed on ingredient labels. By being aware of these, you can make informed choices and avoid excessive sugar intake. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, understanding sugar and its impact on health can empower you to make informed dietary choices that can positively affect your well-being. Sugar is a simple carbohydrate that can have a significant impact on your health when consumed in excess. There are several types of sugar, and you can find them in different foods. Sugars, including glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which are found in a variety of foods, both natural and processed. Natural sugars occur in whole foods like fruits and vegetables, while added sugars are often present in processed foods and sugary beverages. The effects on general health of excessive sugar consumption can lead to weight gain, nutrient deficiencies, and inflammation. It can also negatively affect mood, energy levels, and overall quality of life. Sugar also has effects on insulin and blood glucose. Secondary to the consuming of sugar, the pancreas produces an insulin release, which causes a regulation of blood glucose levels. Over time, excessive sugar intake can cause insulin resistance, a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Excessive sugar intake, it has been linked to various chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or also known as NAFLD, and cancer. Additionally, sugar can accelerate skin aging through a process called glycation. Reading labels as an important habit. Understanding food labels is crucial to managing sugar intake. Being aware of different names for sugar and hidden sugars in processed foods can help you make healthier choices. So, sugar just by itself can cause cancer through several pathways. There are important links between excessive sugar intake and cancer risk through mechanisms such as inflammation, obesity, and insulin resistance. By managing sugar intake and making conscious dietary choices, you can reduce your risk of chronic diseases and potentially lower your cancer risk. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.